Hi, I'm Katie, and today I'm going to be painting Jack Skellington as Santa Claus. First, I'm going to take a white water-based paint and I'm going to fill out the face. Now I'm taking that same paint and I'm going to map out the beard. Jack's beard isn't real, so I just wanted to make sure it looks like it's hanging from his neck. Next, I'm going to take a red water-based paint and I'm going to fill in his suit. Jack's Santa suit has a big black belt, so I'm going to take a black paint and just fill that in. Now I'm going to take that same black paint, I'm going to fill in his eyes and start drawing out his mouth. So this look is an optical illusion, so I'm going to fill in all the negative space with a black paint so that it blends into the background. Now I'm taking a black shadow and I'm just shading around the eyes and under the beard to make it look three-dimensional. So the last thing I'm going to do is take that white and black paint and just give him his spooky skeleton hands. Now we're just putting on his Santa hat and Jack is ready to steal Christmas. So I wanted to do this look today because I am obsessed with Nightmare Before Christmas. The hardest part of this look is just getting the illusion right. It's tricky, but those details really make the look work. If you're spooky like me but you also love Christmas, then this is the perfect look for you.
Hi, my name is Creme, and today we'll be doing a sugar plum fairy look. So first we're going to start down by gluing our hairline for the wig and applying our contacts. Then I'm going to do a white base all over the eyes to prime our shadow. Next I'll be going in with pink and purple shadows and creating that really nice eye all around the top and the bottom. Next I'm going to use some white to cut the crease. And pack some shadow on in that crease. Next I'll be using some white eyeliner to do the bottom. And then sketching out our eyeliner on top. And then going over that with some liquid liner to clean it up. Next, I'll be doing some liquid liner on the bottom as well, just to kind of reinforce that bottom line. So I'm applying my purple face paint all over. Then applying that highlight and that contour color, just a deeper purple. And we're just gonna blend that all out. Now we'll set it down with some translucent powder. And now we're gonna go over that with some more powder contours. I'm just using some pink and purple eyeshadows to go over that. Next to our nose contour, a little bit of blush all over. I'm going to do a little bit more excessive blush because we're going for kind of a fairy look. Now I'm going to do some highlighter, maybe a little bit excessive on the highlighter too, just to give us that really sparkly look. And next to our lips. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply this purple lip. It's a little bit more of a muted purple, so it's going to look kind of like a nude on our purple skin. Then I'll do a little bit of pink in the center. And I do have some rhinestones in these really swirly patterns that we're going to apply kind of like on our cheekbones and around our eyes, just to give us that really enchanted look. So I have some snowflake stickers and we're going to apply that all over our cheeks. Then we'll do lashes. And then we'll apply our wig. And I do have some really sparkly leaves as well as some fuzzy pom-poms for this look, so we're going to go ahead and apply those in our hair. So I'm not really sure what sugar plum fairies look like or what they're supposed to do, but you are one now, so you can go ahead and define that yourself.
Hola, I'm Mary, and today's look is called How the Grinch Stole Glam. Using a white eyeliner, I'm gonna divide my face. Now I'm gonna do my glam side. I'm filling my brows like I usually do on a glam look. I'm doing a black wing and adding green glitter. Now I'm applying foundation. Blush and bronzer. This side will be fine, but I have to do my Grinch. So I'm using water activated paints as a foundation. I'm using black eyeliner to sketch all my wrinkles. Using green eyeshadow, I'm gonna make my wrinkles look more realistic. If you love Christmas or you hate Christmas, no matter what, this look is for you.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell for the newest makeup transformations from Beauty Wow.